Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing Albert Einstein's groundbreaking theories of special and general relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Before that, let's have a short introduction about who Albert Einstein is. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist known for his theory of relativity and the iconic equation E equals mc squared. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for his theory explaining the photoelectric effect. Einstein's revolutionary research transformed contemporary physics, and his theory on relativity, quantum mechanics, and cosmology made a lasting impact on science. He was a peace and social justice activist. Einstein immigrated to the US in 1933 to flee Nazi Germany, where he continued to work until he died in 1955. Now that we know who Albert Einstein is, let's head over to our next topic. Understanding of speed. Speed is defined only by its intensity or magnitude, while velocity needs to have both magnitude and direction addressed. Speed is a measurement of how fast an object is moving through a path. Velocity measures how fast and in what direction the movement of an object is. Albert Einstein's concept of speed is deeply tied to his theory of relativity, particularly in how it affects time and space. One of his key ideas was that speed, especially at speeds approaching the speed of light, has profound effects on our understanding of the universe. In Einstein's special theory of relativity in 1905, he proposed that the speed of light, about 299,792 kilometers per second, is the same for all observers, regardless of their motion or the motion of the light source. This led to the idea that time and space are not fixed, but can change depending on the speed at which an object is moving. Speed is Speed also plays a crucial role in time dilation and length contraction, key concepts in speed relativity. As an object moves closer to the speed of light, time slows down for it relative to a stationary observer, a phenomenon confirmed through experiments with high-speed particles and atomic clocks on fast-moving aircraft. Additionally, objects appear shorter along the direction of motion as their speed increases. This effect demonstrates that space and time are interconnected, fundamentally altering our perception of motion and reality at relativistic speeds. Now that we talked about understanding speed, we will go to the next topic, which is E equals mc squared. That will be taken over by Rodriguez.
E equals to mc2 is formulated by Albert Einstein. It's one of the most famous and fundamental equation in physics. It expresses the relationship between energy E, mass m, and the speed of light c. Here's what it means. E stands for energy, m stands for mass. C represents the speed of light in a vacuum, which is approximately 3 times 1018. 3 times 1018 per second. In simple terms, the equation shows that mass and energy are interchangeable. A small amount of mass can be converted into a large amount of energy because the speed of light squared E equals to mc2 is a very large number. This equation is the foundation of nuclear energy and explains processes like those in the sun where mass is converted into energy. Now we will move on to the theory of special relativity, which will be presented by Tamayo.
Thank you, Rodriguez. And for my report is Theory of Special Relativity. Albert Einstein 1905 theory of special relativity describe how speed affect mass, time, and space. With the speed of light, setting a fundamental limit. The famous equation of E equals mc squared shows that the mass and energy are interchangeable, meaning small amount of mass can convert into enormous energy. This theory applies to objects in uniform motion without considering gravity, which Einstein later addressed in general relativity. As an object approaches the speed of light, its mass and the energy needed to move increasingly infinitely, making faster than light travel possible. Special relativity has subatomic particles and time dilatation in moving clocks, reshaping our understanding of the universe. And for my additional info, special relativity also introduced the concept of simultaneously, showing that time is not absolute and can vary for observer moving at different speed. This led to the realization that space and time form a single interconnected fabric called space-time. The theory has practical application in modern technology such as GPS system, which must account the time for dilatation effects to maintain accuracy. Additionally, it laid the foundation for particles physics and plays a crucial role in understanding high energy cosmic phenomena like supernova and black holes. Up next is the theory of general relativity, which will be explained by Remertilia and Lizano.
Theory of General Reliability. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, 1915, described gravity as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy racing. Newton's concept of gravity as a force, it predicts phenomena like gravitational time dilation, like bending, gravitational lensing, and cosmic expansion. The theory has been confirmed through Mercury or orbit, anomalized solar eclipse observation, and gravitational wave detection. General reliability remains crucial in astrophysics, influencing research on black holes and the universe structures. Einstein, 1920. General reliability also introduced the concept of space-time geometry, explaining how massive objects distort the fabric of space and time, affecting the motion of other objects. This theory laid the foundation of modern cosmology, leading to the discovery of black holes, neutron stars, and the expansion of the universe. It also played a key role of GPS technology, as a satellite clock must adjust for gravitational time dilation to provide accurate positioning. Ongoing research continues to test and refine Einstein's prediction with experience like the Event Horizon Telescope, which captured the first image of the black hole.
Scientists continue to explore the implication of general relativity, searching for ways to unify it with quantum mechanics, which governs the smallest particles in the universe. The ongoing study of gravitational waves, first detected by LIGO in 2015, provides new insights into cosmic collisions and spacetime itself. Additionally, advancements in space exploration and deep space observation, such as those by the James Webb Space Telescope, help refine our understanding of how gravity shapes galaxies and large-scale structure of the universe. Einstein's theory remains a cornerstone of modern physics, guiding future discoveries about the nature of reality. Now we move on to facts and trivia, which will be presented by Orpresio.
Now, here we have some facts and trivia. Facts. Did you know that Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, published in 1915, changed how we understand gravity? Instead of thinking of gravity as a force pulling objects together, Einstein said that heavy objects like the sun bend the space around them, making other objects move along curved paths. This idea was tested in 1919 during a solar eclipse when scientists saw that starlight bent around the sun. Just as Einstein had predicted, this proved his theory right and made him famous worldwide. Trivia. Einstein had many unique habits. He never wore socks because he found them uncomfortable and thought they would always get holes. He also had playful and forgetful nature sometimes. He would get so lost in his thoughts that he forget simple things like eating. He once gave his students the same test 2 years in a row, saying, "The questions are the same, but the answers have changed, because science is always improving." Now, let's head over to the conclusion, which will be presented by Ortega.
In conclusion, Albert Einstein's contributions to physics, especially through his theory of special relativity, have a profound effect on our understanding of space, time, and the universe. His insights into the dynamics of energy and mass, as represented by the famous equation E equals mc squared, revolutionized modern physics and spawned innovation in nuclear energy, quantum theory, and special exploration. Special relativity broke our classical concept of motion, illustrating how speed, especially speed at the speed of light, can intrude upon time, space, and mass. Einstein's hypothesis, two counterintuitive when first proposed, have been proven experimentally and are indispensable to technology like GPS. In addition to his scientific work, Einstein was a modest, unassuming, and socially aware individual. His life and career, his early years as an after-dinner speaker and patent office worker to his exile from Nazi Germany, and eventual global fame are testaments to the power of inquisitiveness, hard work, and devotion to demystifying the universe. Einstein's was continues to inspire not only scientists but also people everywhere, and so he remains one of the greatest legendary figures of all time. This concludes our report on Einstein's theories of relativity. We hope this discussion has provided you with a better understanding of how special and general relativity shape our knowledge of space, time, and gravity. Thank you for your time and attention.